So we're on the Prairie Foundation's Carver Prairie today, and we're standing in the prairie swale on the 63-acre remnant prairie. Just a few years ago, this prairie swale was all packed in with invasive trees, non-native tree species, other invasives like Japanese honeysuckle. We came in, removed all of those invasives and the trees that really historically were never on this prairie. And now you can see how it's revegetated very nicely. All these natives have kind of taken hold. They really weren't evident before when the trees were in this space, but now that we've removed those and allowed sunlight in, you can really see how nicely it's revegetated. It's more functional now as a stream, an ephemeral wetland type resource for amphibians and other various wildlife. You can also probably see behind me along the road where there was a former fence line, and that fence line was solid trees. We removed all of those as well, just to kind of simulate the more natural prairie landscape that historically was once on this site.